quadratic linear. We're going to bring the y to the right, so we're going to get x plus 3 equals y. Everybody cool with that? Now we write down the quadratic equation, but anywhere there was a y, it now has to be replaced with x plus 3. Okay, so this should be, it's actually not too bad. Now, we put x plus 3 here, and x plus 3 here. Now, I'm quite lazy, don't want to rewrite that line again, so I'm just going to adjust it up here. And then on top, I'm just going to write down x squared plus 6x plus 9. Everybody cool with that? That's how when you square x plus 3 by x plus 3. Now I'm going to add them all together. And I'm going to get x squared plus x squared. I believe that's the only 2 there, so that's going to be 2x squared. Next thing I'm going to do is look at the x's. We have 6x, 2x, and 4x. So what's that? 8x minus 4x is 4x. So far, so good. And then we have 9, take away 12, which is minus 3. Minus 3 plus 3, 0. Right, grand. Makes life easy. Take out 2x, and what are we left with? X plus 2. We get 2x equals 0, or x plus 2 equals 0. Then what do we have then? X equals minus 2, and x equals 0. Is that okay with you guys? Alrighty. We're good. Now, haven't got full marks yet, because we all know that y equals x plus 3. So what happens when you add 3 onto x? You get 3, and when you add 3 onto this one, you get 1. Is that right? So it's going to be, what's it? 0 plus 3 for the first one, and for the second one, it's minus 2 plus 3. All right, 15. All right. Now, 15. We all agreed upon getting t on its own, did we? Now, there's 2 options. You could get s on, when you get t on its own, you end up with 3s plus 1, and you get t equals 3s plus 1 over 2. If you got s on its own, you would have ended up with 2t minus 1 over 3 equals s. No matter what happened, you were going to have to deal with a fraction, weren't you? There's no way around it this time. So we just decided, just because we only wanted to do one solution today, we all said we'll just get rid of the t first, okay? So what happens now? Blank squared plus blank times s minus 4s squared equals 2. All right, lob it in. 3s plus 1 squared and 3s plus 1 over 2. Now, what's 3s plus 1 multiplied by 3s plus 1 when you square the top by itself? And it's 2 by 2 on the bottom. So what do we get? 9s squared. What's the middle number going to be? It's going to be 3s plus 3s, which is going to get us 6s. The number at the end, what's 1 times 1? 1. All divided by 4. All right. Now, another tip that I've only adopted to recently is if your s's look like 5s, make the s considerably smaller than the numbers. Make the letters considerably smaller than the numbers, and it will save you a bit of time and a lot of headache. All right. Next one is 3s squared. So 3 small s squared plus 1s all over 2 minus 4s squared equals 2. Don't do anything just yet. I should establish a common denominator of 4. So I'm going to get 9s squared plus 6s plus 1 all over 4. The next part is going to be multiply top and bottom by 2. 6x squared plus 2s all over 4. Finally, this one's going to be multiply top and bottom by 4. 16s squared over 4, and finally equals 8 over 4. Now guys, a lot of you guys would have skipped, a lot of you guys just would have got rid of the 4s outright, wouldn't you? That's okay. You can do that as well if you want. Nothing wrong with that. Okay. Now let's get the s squareds on their own. I have minus 7 s squared. Oh no, I don't. I have 15 minus 16, which is minus s squared. I have 6s plus 2s, which is 8s. And then I have 1 take away, bring the 8 over the other side. What's 1 take away 8? Minus 7. Multiply both sides by a minus. Starting to smile now because I know I can do this quite easy. And what you get there? S minus 1 and S minus 7 equals 0. S equals 1 and S equals 7. Is that okay? I haven't got full marks yet though. What do I have to do next? What did we say earlier? T equals 3 times S plus 1 divided by 2. T equals 3 times S plus 1 divided by 2. I have to test both numbers out, so I have to test the 7 and the 1. 22 divided by 2, T is 11. And 4 divided by 2, T equals 2. So there's your two answers, sets of answers there. Who got all that out? A few of you.